Welcome to my channel, Aizen HK. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy watching.
Hello everyone, this is Aizen. Well, thank you Lord for another year of my life to celebrate. Thank you so much. But guys, I want to say thank you all for the love, for the support that you have given to me on my channel, and all the warm greetings that you have given to me. I'm so happy. I can't explain my feelings too. It means so much to me, guys. So this is my personally thank you to all of you. Thank you so much. Well, see you on my birthday. And now, guys, listen all the wonderful warm greetings. So that's it. And God bless you all. And I love you. Bye. See you on my birthday.
And mag-love shoutout po sa lahat. Mandito po ako ngayon para batiin ng magandang kaarawan si Mami Aizen. Ayan, hi Mami Ai, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and marami pang birthdays na may celebrate. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things. Sana yung mga places na pangarap mong mapuntahan is marating mo po. Ayan, mag-amping po ikaw lagi and happy birthday ulit. I love you. Bye-bye!
Lalabs Aizen, happy birthday! First of all, thank you so much for supporting my channel. On your birthday, I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you so much. Ingat palagi. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday! God bless! Bye!
Happy birthday, my sissy love, Aizen. Wishing you all the best. Hoping ako na magkita na kayo ng yung meant to be. At sana maging masaya ka na for life. Rest din pag may time. God bless you always. Ano pa ba? Ano pa masasabi ko sa iyo? Stay pretty as you are. Ayan, yun lang. God bless. At laging mag-iingat palagi, ha? Kasi lagi kang nasa labas. Minsan mag-day off ka ng mahaba, hindi yung isang araw lang. Alright? God bless. I love you, Sisila, Mama.
Hello mga nods, Mr. Tolits po. May madali alam po tayong babatiin ang ating kaibigan na si Sis Aizen. Yan, happy birthday sa iyo, Sis Aizen. More birthday to come, Sis Aizen. And good health, yun lang. Nakabait ka lagi para hindi kita isako. Happy birthday, Sis Aizen.
Hello, my friend Asin. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Happy birthday to you. And I hope many more years. I'm outside. I'm waiting for the bus. So all I wanted to say is, may God bless you many years, and for being a good friend of mine on the YouTube community. Appreciate that. And always supporting, always support. Your support means everything to me, and I love to support as well. Appreciate you, and I hope you having a great day.
Hello, good morning. Mega love shout out. Ako nga pala si Manila Boy Adventure. Mega love shout out. Ako si Manila Boy Cyclista sa FB. Mayroon na akong babatiin na sa kanya kaarawan na happy birthday sa iyo, Aizen HK ng Hong Kong. mabuhay ka hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Happy birthday. Enjoy lang ang buhay at marami pang birthday darating. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? Another day, another vlog. Ayan, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ayan, Eugene Paranyang Vlog. So for today's video guys, ayan, greetings lang tayo sa ating friends sa YouTube and sa one of my members sa aking channel. Ayan, I just want to greet a happy birthday Aizen HK. Ayan, a happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ayan, and siyempre walang iba, stay healthy and more blessings to you. And more, syempre sa YouTube channel mo, ayan, more subscriber and more blessings to come, of course. Ayan, so shoutout na lang sa mga friends mo dyan sa YouTube natin. Ayan, si Malu, shoutout Malu. Ayan, si Rhea, ayan, shoutout. And thank you guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking greetings to Aizen HK. Thank you and God.
Nakikita ng ibang tao yan, pero nakikita ni Lord yan. So mabuhay ka Aizen, sana ay humaba pa ang buhay mo. Yung 150 na birthday, wala na kaming lahat nagbe-birthday ka pa Aizen. Anyway, it's some kind of a joking, no? So yan, ano naman. Okay, so happy birthday. I know God will bless you always dahil sa magandang kalooban mo. So maraming salamat sa laging suporta kay Banu TV. So yun lang, hindi ko na pahabahin pa, baka malate na ako sa trabaho. So time check, mag-alas 8 pasado na Aizen. So thank you, happy birthday, and a shout out everyone. Yun lang, mag-ingat, no? Mag-ingat ang lahat, and God bless us all.
Hello. Good afternoon. It's me, Chubaki Vlog. Yes, guys, pasensya na sa aking background na super ugly. Yes, I just want to say happy birthday, Aizen HK. Guapa, happy birthday. And so, thank you so much, Guapa, kasi you still remember me. And I'm so honored na nakita ko sa messenger na nag-message ka na manghingi ka ng birthday greetings from me. So thank you so much, Guapa. I'm so happy for that. Of course, I just say na happy birthday and wishing you a good health always, and cheers for more celebrations to come, and of course more candle to blow, Guapa. And of course, since you are there in Hong Kong, ito lang masasabi ko always talaga, Guapa, na take care always, and don't forget to pray, and of course don't forget also to take care of yourself, especially your health. Yan talaga ang importante, because there is a saying na katawan ng ating puhunan, so dapat you should take care of that, Guapa. And of course, stay kind and stay generous and stay pretty like me, Charas. Yeah, enjoy your day, Guapa. Enjoy. No matter what, just enjoy your day. And of course, thank you also for the support, for the friendship. And I'm so glad na I have friend Aizen, even though hindi pa tayo nagkita personal, but I'm looking forward to see you. Looking forward to see you talaga, and para magkabanding din tayo, or I'm so happy for that talaga if ever na mangyayari yan. So once again, happy birthday, Aizen HK, Guapa. Thank you and enjoy your day and God bless. Happy birthday na ni Aizen. Birthday na.
Ayan guys, may babatiin ako. Napakabuting kaibigan ito. Walang katulad. Kahit hindi na ako nag-white, kinokontak pa rin niya ako. Napakabait talaga nitong taong ito. Ayan, nang Aizen, happy birthday. Good health always. God bless. Ayan, happy birthday nang.
Idol Aizen, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday nga pala. Ilang taon ka na ba? Parang bata ka pa tingnan. Happy birthday uli. Stay healthy and God bless. Mabuhay.
Good
naman tayong kaibigan na babatid sa YT. Ating kaibigan, Alex Aisen. Happy birthday sa iyo, lalabs. Buhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Saan masaya ko ang birthday mo. Mag-iingat palagi. Alex Aisen, happy birthday ulit. God bless. Sana masaya ko ang birthday mo. Happy birthday, lalabs.
Oy, good morning nga pala. Naibabatiin lang po tayo. Matagal ko ng kaibigan to sa YT. Happy birthday, Aisen. Happy birthday. Saka more birthdays, more blessings. Saka ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Ingatan mo palagi sarili mo para sa pamilya. Saka mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Basta happy birthday, Aisen. Ito nga pala sili, magtatanim ako. Basta ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aisen. Happy birthday.
Hello, Pangyaw. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayun, ano ba masasabi ko? Kundi good health. Ingatan ng ating sarili. At saka, magpapasalamat ako pala sa support mo. Ito yung magla-live ako, andyan ka lagi. Salamat sa support sa lahat. Ayun. Stay pretty. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Tapos, ayun. Enjoy your day. Siyempre, alagaan ang sarili para laging fresh. O, diba? Ayun. Happy birthday. Tinatanong kita kung saan ang reception. Baka makapunta. Ayun. Ayun. Salamat. Happy birthday. God bless. God bless sa'yo. At God bless sa iyong family. More blessing to come. Ayun. Good health. Siyempre, unahin ang sarili. Unahin ang kalusugan. Kasi, yun, nandito tayo sa malayo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you sa support mo lagi. Ayun, happy birthday and stay healthy, stay free.
Hello, Sister Eisen. Big thank you for all the support and love you've shown to me. I hope you have a happy birthday. Huge Team Wipe happy birthday shout out from Ryan and Panda here. Much love. We will see you on your birthday stream. And that's all Panda has to say. See you guys next time. Much love.
Hello, Sis Aisen. Happy birthday. We have many more birthdays to come and good health always. I wish you all the best, more blessings, and stay humble, stay healthy, and God bless you more. At pasensya ka na sa video ko kasi galing ako sa biyahe, galing ako sa travel, at nandito ako sa labas. Para lang makagawa ako nito, nag-video na lang ako sa labas. And stay healthy, keep safe, and I wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
Hello and great morning everyone, and mega love shout out to our birthday celebrant today, Miss Aisen Itsuki. Hello Sisi. Wishing you lots of happiness and joy on your birthday today, and declaring that God will always give you precious things in this life, health, peace, and prosperity. And also the protection for you and for your whole family in the Philippines. Hoping that God will grant whatever the desirable things inside in your heart, or whatever secret petitions that you keep praying to Him. Continue to serve the Lord with gladness in your heart, for this is right. And once again, happy birthday. May your birthday be filled with love, laughter, and lots of cakes.
I do really appreciate for giving me a chance as one of them who will give you a birthday wishes today. And thank you so much for considering me as your friend here in YouTube world. I'm really glad for that. And finally, thank you so much for the love and support. And more power to your channel, Amping Kanunay, and God bless always, Amerta. Bye-bye!
Hi guys! Big loud shout out sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa YT. Long time no see guys. Lalabs Aisin, happy birthday. Wishing you a beautiful day with a good health and happiness forever. God bless you always, and I miss you so much, guys.
So yun, hello everyone. I just want to greet Aisen a happy birthday. Ayan. Lala, thank you sa friendship and stay always kind like you are now. So wag ka sana magbabago ha. I love you, Lalabs Aisen, and again, happy birthday.
Yo, what's up? Magandang araw, magandang buhay sa inyong lahat, especially dyan sa Hong Kong, yan, sa mga ating mga kababayan na OFW, mag-ingat kayong lahat dyan. Siyempre, sa aking mga kaibigan, ayan, especially sa YT community. At the same time, siyempre, may babatiin tayo ngayon ng isang masaganang kaarawan kay Aisin HK, sa ating kaibigan. Hindi lang ito nating kaibigan sa industriya ng YouTube, pagkos ito ay kaibigan natin sa personal na buhay, no? So kasamahan siya ni Nana's Life from Mandaluyong until hanggang Hong Kong. So yun. So Zen, Aisin HK, happy birthday. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, sana yumaman na kayo dyan. At syempre, wish ko manalo ka sa loto, kasi kakambal ng buhay mo yang loto. So yun lang. Okay, once again, happy birthday. Ayan, ano lang kayo dyan, focus lang sa inyong mga goal, at syempre, God bless. Ingat.
Ayan, hi everyone, hello, and sana na-miss nyo ako, kasi kayo na-miss ko, charis. Ayan, so I just wanna greet and happy birthday, Lalab Aisen. Ayan, thank you so much sa pag-invite, at hindi paglimot na pag-imbita sa akin. Ayan, so sana makita pa kita ulit. Ayan, so happy birthday, and God bless you always. Stay humble and stay sweet. Happy birthday!
Hello guys, this is Mark Howard Christine Vlog. We're now further ahead, and happy birthday to Cici Aisen. Happy birthday Cici Aisen, and wish you all the best for your birthday. Wish you for all the best for celebrating her special. For enjoy your day and slice and cake for your YT channel friends. So we have here, and so have our YT friends of Cici Aisen, and sana bumati sa atin, and good luck sa ating celebrate ng party. God bless and happy birthday, and God bless Cici Aisen. Happy birthday po.
Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan guys. Meron lang akong babatiin guys na aking kaibigan dito sa YT World na si Nang Aisen. Ayan, Nang Aisen, happy birthday, and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy, stay guwapa, at sana hindi ka magbago sa ating mga kaibigan dyan. Ayan, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, at maraming salamat nang sa binibigay mo ding blessing sa aking channel. Ayan, more blessing to come, and more blows to kindle nang. Ayan, happy birthday ulit, and ingat, and God bless nang. Bye bye.
I wish you a happy birthday, Aizen, and I hope you enjoy your special day today, because you deserve it. and yes, you should. I wanted to go walk to the park so I could record in a more sunny day, right? It's snowing, so nonetheless, happy birthday, Aizen.
Hello everyone! At your service, Tararina Vlog. Ayan. Andito po ako sa inyong harapan para batiin ang ating kaibigan, kapatid, supporter sa YT channel. Ayan. Lalabs Aizen, thank you for asking a video. Pasensya ka na kung hindi ako nakakapag-support pa sa ngayon kasi still moving on pa rin ako sa nangyari sa aking mama. So, babatiin kita ng happy birthday, more blessings to come, enjoy your day, and thank you sa laging pagsusupport, hindi lang sa akin at sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport din sa'yo. Alam ko kung gaano ka kabait na kaibigan, and I know how you worship God. Yun. Thank you for always supporting in my channel, not only in my channel, in my FB. So, thank you, Lalabs. Ingat ka palagi. Always trust in God. God bless you more and more. Alam ko kung gaano ka ka-bless kasi you're always sharing your blessings. Thank you, Lalabs Aizen. Happy birthday to you and I love you. I miss you all, guys. Alam ko soon babalik din ako sa pag-vlog, sa pagla-live sa YT. So, Lalabs Aizen, ingat-ingat ka palagi. I love you. Namimiss ko na kayo. Naiyak ako. Namimiss ko na yung pag-YT pero hindi pa talaga ako masyadong nakaka-move on. So, sorry sa inyong lahat, sa aking kagrupo. Maraming salamat. Alam ko na yung iba nakapag pa sa aking channel. Kung may na-upload ako, thank you so much. Hindi ako nakakalimot pero soon babalik ako talaga. Maraming salamat, Lalabs Aizen. I miss you all, guys. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. See you soon.
Hi guys. Ayan, today may babatiin tayo. Walang iba yung ating birthday girl na nag-iisa. Walang iba kundi si Lalabs Aizen. Lalabs Aizen, alam mo na, mataba na ako ngayon. Kahit tingnan mo yung mga video ko noon sa mga greetings ko sa'yo, iba na talaga ngayon yung katawan ko. Ayan, Lalabs Aizen, wala na akong ibang masabi sa'yo. Napakabait mo, napakabuti ng iyong puso. Pagpalain ka pa ni Lord, God bless always, Lalabs Aizen. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. At mahal na mahal ka namin, Lalabs Aizen, lalo na ako at ang mga bata. Lalabs Aizen, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lalabs Aizen. Soon, magiging ninang na kita. Happy birthday, Lalabs. Mama, love you.
Hello, Ate Aizen HK. Happy birthday. Ayan, from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you enjoyed your day. And more blessings, good health to you and to your family. Happy birthday, ate. Stay pretty, stay mabait, stay sweet. Ayan, as always. And I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Aizen. Love. Happy birthday.
Ayun o. And magandang araw man o gabi sa inyo mga idol. Yan o. Binabati ko pala ng happy birthday si Idol Aizen, yan. At sana ay success ang live stream mo sa kaarawan mo, Idol. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday. Yan. Para always friends in YT, mga ka-idol. Yan. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-support kay Idol Aizen, sa lahat ng mga friends natin dito. Thank you. Yan. Happy birthday, Idol. Yan. Happy birthday. And God bless us all. Thank you.
Hi, what's up everyone? This is Remoto Vlog once again. Gusto ko lang kunin yung opportunity na to para batiin si Aizen sa kanyang kaarawan. And Aizen, happy birthday sa iyo, and ingat dyan. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayan. Happy birthday. And at the same time, enjoy your day. And bahala ka na kung ano gusto mong gawin. Birthday mo naman eh. Kaya happy birthday. Ingat.
Hello Ate Aizen. Happy birthday. Salamat sa always na support and salamat sa friendship. Ate Aizen, enjoy your day. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, mega love shoutout. Salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta kay Ate Aizen. And sa lahat ng bawat team na nandyan na nandito sa premiere. Ayan. Salamat sa suporta nyo palagi kay Ate Aizen. At Ate Aizen, salamat kasi sobrang supportive. Ayan, shoutout sa lahat nandyan. And thank you kasi napili mo ako isa sa mga babati sa'yo sa iyong special day. Ate Aizen, thank you so much. And ayan, happy birthday. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aizen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aizen. Thank you so much for always sharing your love, respect, and faith. It means so much to all of us. You really make everybody happy and joyful. And we need more people like you. I truly hope it's a blessed day for you, your family, your loved ones. Do something for yourself. You deserve it. I love you, Aizen. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Andito po tayo ngayon. Purple Official. Gusto ko lamang pong batiin ang aking isa sa mga kaibigan sa larangan ng YT. Ako, ang init. Grabe, kailangan pa nag-exercise. Sis Aizen, HK, happy birthday sa napakaganda kong kaibigan na si Miss Aizen. Maraming salamat at isa ako sa naimbitahan mo magbigay ng message para sa iyong kaarawan. Sana maging mas okay ang iyong channel. Alam ko, lagi kang may mumu. Sana all, laging mayroong mumu. Laging viral, diba? Ingat palagi at enjoyin mo ang iyong kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Sis Aizen. Andito lang kami na iyong mga kaibigan, hindi man laging nakasupport dahil may kanya-kanya tayong gawain sa buhay. Hinihingal pa ako. Once again, Sis Aizen, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. I love you, Sis Aizen. Mwah!
Hello, Rachel Mingarini po. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Dito po ako para batiin ang isang kaibigan na si Aizen HK. Happy birthday, sis! More birthdays to come and God bless you always. Ingat palagi sa work at sana lahat ng wish mo sa buhay ay matupad. More birthdays to celebrate. Thank you always sa support, sis. Blah.
Happy birthday, Sis Aizen! Yan, namamaos ang ating host na maganda. From Canada! Walang boses! Ayan. Love you, Sis Aizen! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! I love you! It's a beautiful day. Ay, kanta tayo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ano ba? Happy birthday to you. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano na. Happy birthday. Stay pretty. God bless. Ayan.
Hello, lalabs Aisen. Happy birthday. Pasensya na, nasa labas ako. Grabe kainit. Ayan, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, lalabs. God bless you.
Ayan, mega shoutout lalabs Aisen at sa lahat. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa akin, lalabs Aisen. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan, today is your birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay safe always and more birthdays to come. Maraming salamat sa support mo palagi sa akin and sana hindi ka magbago. Wish ko sa iyo good health and more birthdays to come. At palagi mag-ingat ka po lagi sa iyong trabaho dyan sa HK. Yan, kahit malayo ka sa family mo, ingat ka palagi. And God bless you. Happy birthday, Lalabs Aisen. Hindi ko nahabahan ang salita ko kasi medyo masakit yung and thank you so much, Lalabs Aisen. Happy birthday.
Ayun, hi guys. Gusto ko lang po batiin si Mami Aisen na happy birthday. Wish you all the best, Mami Aisen, and enjoy your day. And salamat sa lahat ng support mo sa akin. At yun, Mami Aisen, sana hindi ka magbabago at ingat ka lagi dyan. Ayan, panatilin mong healthy po ikaw. At yun po, Mami Aisen, wala na akong ibang masasabi kundi happy birthday and enjoy your day. Ayan, shoutout sa lahat. Bye bye.
Hi, Lalabs Aisen, mega love shoutout. Ayan, thank you Lalabs kasi isa pala ako sa mga napili mo na mag-greet sa'yo sa iyong karawan. Ayan, maraming salamat naman dyan. Pasensya na kasi ito yung pinili kong boses para maiba naman. Ayan, Lalabs, happy birthday. Enjoy ka lang palagi sa iyong karawan. And thank you so much, Lalabs, kasi isa ka sa mga naging kaibigan ko dito sa YouTube. And maraming salamat sa suporta mo na lagi sa YouTube ko din. And thank you din, Lalabs, kasi isa ka sa member ng aking channel ton. Charot. Ayan, Lalabs, mag-enjoy ka lang sa iyong karawan. And happy ako kasi nag-celebrate ka dito mismo sa ating YouTube community. Ginanap yung no daw? Dito ka nag-celebrate ng yung karawan dito sa YouTube. Ayan, so para naman kahit virtual lang, nakikita ka namin, nakikita ka ng iyong pamilya. Alam ko naman na mahirap talaga mag-celebrate ng kaarawan, lalo na kapag malayo sa pamilya mo, diba? Kaya enjoy ka lang sa iyong karawan. And maraming salamat ulit, Lalabs, especially naging kaibigan kita. Alam ko naman na lahat siguro ng mga pangarap mo matutupad yun kasi napakabuti mo, napakasipag mo pa. Ayan, walang imposible kay Lord. Amen. Ayan, so maraming salamat again. Happy birthday, Lalabs. Mag-enjoy ka lang. And ayun, I love you, Lalabs. Bye-bye.
Guys, gusto lang nating batiin ng happy birthday si Lalabs Aisen of HK. Ayan, thank you, Labs, kasi na-invite mo ako mag video greeting sa'yo. Thank you so much. And then thank you kasi you always supporting for me. Thank you, you're still there. Thank you sa support. And then ayun, wish ko for you, Labs, always good health. Alam mo na yan na para malayo tayo sa family natin. Ayan, always ingatan natin yung sarili natin. Ingatan na hindi magkasakit kasi wala namang ibang mag-aalaga sa atin kundi sarili natin. Ayun, hindi ko napapahabain yung aking video greeting, Labs. Ayan, basta alam mo, You're so kind. Ayan. Thank you, loves. And thank you. I hope we'll grow our friendship pa.
Hello, good evening and good morning around the world. It's me, Princess Life in Hong Kong here. And then, meron lang akong babatiin. Isa na naman nating aking friend na magbe-birthday. Friend sa YT na magbe-birthday. Ayan, Aisin. Lalabs Aisin. Ayan, Lalabs Aisin HK. Happiest birthday. At saka mag-enjoy ka. Tsaka lagi kang mag-iingat sa iyong work. Ayan, thank you so much for bilang isa mong kaibigan sa YT. At saka salamat sa support mo lagi sa akin. Kahit ano, sinusupport mo ko. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy again. At saka, ayan, lagi kang mag-iingat, lalaws. God bless. Bye-bye.